Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Hello there you guys, good morning, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today I have a tutorial showing you guys how I do this messy updo for natural curly hair. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you guys are hitting that post notification so you guys are notified when I upload. And if you love what I do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share me with the world. I was looking for a style that I can do that required minimal work. I'm just kind of like at this point where I'm like, I don't want to have to do too much with my hair. And so I started to look up little hairstyles and came across messy updos for natural hair, and how just by not using any product or a lot of product and just pulling out random pieces that frame the face, and how that just really was a look, and I thought it looked really cute on others, so I decided to try it on myself. So this is a very minimal hairstyle. It's very quick. Do this on wash and goes. You can do this on braid outs, twist outs, old braid outs, old wash and goes. This is a great way for you to just put the hair up and away. This is an old braid out, which is turning into something else right now. I'm not really too sure what it's turning into, but it's like curly slash braid out, like I don't know, it's a little bit of a mixture going on right now. But we're gonna go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. So yeah, so for this hair tutorial, I'm just going to be using the main choice biotin infused gel to style, a brush, and a knee-high stocking. Now of course, if my hair needed a little bit more moisture, I would throw in maybe like a leave-in conditioner or something like that, but my hair is pretty good to go. So first thing I like to do is I like to give my hair a little bit of a shake, kind of just fluff it out, because I had it you know, in a headscarf all night long. So I'm just gonna fluff it out, give it some body, and just kind of wake up all those curls. I'm going to take some of the main choice biotin infused gel, and I'm just going to apply this along the whole perimeter of my hair. Not a whole lot, just a little bit, just to kind of hold. Then I'm going to take a brush, and I'm just going to brush everything up and back like you would do a regular puff. If you're creating like a high puff, that's what I'm just doing, just brushing everything into the motion of going into a puff. Then I'm going to take my knee-high stocking, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a puff. Now, my puff is going to be not super tight. It's going to be a loose puff. So I'm just going to bring it up in the back, pull, push the front back, but it's going to be a very light puff, a very effortless puff. And then I'm just going to double tie it in the front here like that and push that back. Okay, then I kind of just fluff my hair, kind of get my puff to look the way in which I want it to look. Once my puff is to my liking, this is where the fun parts start. So I start from the back, and I just take a piece of hair and I just pull it out. Sometimes I use my other finger to keep in other hair while I pull out one strand. And I just kind of pull it out like so. Then I go on this side and do the same thing. Just pulling out a tiny piece of hair. Okay. And then I go to the side of my ears. And I just pull out a tiny piece. Ooh. Okay, make sure you are pulling out pieces very gently though. And then I just kind of let it sit, come out like that. Like so. Okay, and then I go on this side. Same thing. I would say be really gentle when you're doing this process. You don't want to break hair. You know what I mean? Like, that's the only thing. You don't want to break hair. And then one side, if you feel like, oh, there's too much hair out, you can always just go ahead and break it down a little bit further, and then just push this back up into there, just to kind of level it out. And then I go to the front. That's probably too much hair. And I just pull, yeah, that's too much hair. but I already got it in my hands, so we're just gonna just pull it out. And then I kind of like to just break it like so. And that could possibly still be too much hair. So I just go back in and break down that a little bit more. Okay, and then I just push it back towards here. And then I'm just gonna go and grab another one from the other side. Like so. Okay. And I think that may be a little bit too much hair. Okay, perfect. So now what I do is that I undo my tie here in the front. I kind of just let that fall. And then I just quickly take any hairs that were not meant to come out or that I decided were too long, and I just kind of push those back up into my puff really quick, just so that it looks somewhat together. But then again, this is an effortless hairstyle, so it doesn't have to be perfect, or it's not meant to be perfect. Okay, and then I just tie it back here on top, and then I just puff my hair like so. Kind of reshape it, kind of, you know, pull down some strands here in the back, kind of get them a little bit, you know, going. And then also what I like to do is that if I feel like some of my pieces may need a little bit more definition, I'll put a little bit of like maybe some gel on my hands and just kind of run them through the little stray pieces to kind of redefine. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go beat my face with some makeup, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the complete look. All right, you guys, I'm back, and so this is the final look. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick twirl around for you guys, and I just really like the fact that I don't have to do much of anything to my hair. I just feel like the less the better. So the fact that I can just throw my hair into whatever and pull out some random pieces to, you know, frame the face, and I just think it's really effortless and it's really cute, and it just looks like it's messy, but it's a look. Okay, it's a look. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.